Namaste, Wanakam, and hello everyone. Welcome to our group Simply Connected. So let's start our talk with a beautiful thought. Happiness is good health and a bad memory. A thought so simple yet so powerful and deep rooted. With this in mind, let's start the talk. Charak Samhita, written by Acharya Charak, is a very important book of Ayurveda. The book starts with the first chapter of Dirgham Jivati Adhyay, or the chapter on longevity or long life. Here it talks about the tripod of life, or Tridand as we call in Sanskrit. To understand wellness, we have to understand the ABC of it. Tripod of life is Sattva, Atma, and Sharir, or mind, soul, and body. It is the combination that we call Ayu, and the Ved or science that talks about is called Ayurveda. The understanding of this combination is very essential for the initiation of a wellness journey. Limbs of this tripod gives rise to three components, that is mental, spiritual, and physical. Here spiritual doesn't mean religion, but personal belief that comes directly from soul connections. When we take medicines or take counseling sessions, at times we don't even know which limb are we trying to align. There are many who are running from pillar to post to get relief from their ailments and spend a lot of money, time, and devotion, but still success is not guaranteed. Despite so much of awareness and technology, we are still seeing an alarming surge in stress and stress related issues. It is this failure to understand the relation between the combination. This combination is very fundamental and a basic unit, just like an electron, proton, and neutron that makes up an atom, or the sun, moon, and earth combination. That is why one single Sanskrit word Soham defines it all. It means what is within is outside. So those who have learned quantum physics will very well identify this existence. These three limbs are so interchangeable and interrelated that when we forget to join all three dots, it results in imbalances that manifest as various diseases. If you will look at the moon, which revolves around the earth, and together they revolve around the sun, earth is made up of 5 elements. Very well display the ingredients that make human prakriti or constitution. We call it Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, or wind, fire, and water. Similarly, the moon represents mind, which is independent yet connected to earth. It very well displays the conscious, subconscious, and unconscious or superconscious mind. We can correlate conscious to the visible part of the moon, subconscious to the invisible, and unconscious to the universe itself where it is present. The sun, which illuminates the earth and moon, is an independent body and can exist without the earth and moon. The part of earth which faces away from sun observes darkness. If moon is illuminated, nights are light. But when moon also hides, we see very dark night. Yet we may see the beauty of little tiny sparkles if our vision is not hindered by clouds. Therefore, it is very important to understand the secrets that the universe holds for us. These secrets only emphasize the value of tripod of life. I have very specifically, or say very superficially, explained this topic, and we will dive further some other day. So for today, ask yourself, what did you do for your physical being? What did you do for your mental being? And what did you do for your spiritual being? So thank you very much for listening carefully. Till the next time, stay simply connected.